Alright, today we're going to show you a couple quick easy ways to use a whip finishing tool. And the first thing you'll notice about a whip finishing tool is that it spins. And the first move you're going to do is pinch right where that ball is right there with your index finger and thumb, so that keeps it from spinning. This little hook, we're going to insert that hook or grab that thread with our hook. And we're going to maintain this position. We're going to grab our bobbin and our thread and bring it up. And there's a little catch at the bottom of this tool right there. That's where that thread will go in as we come up. Alright. And now this is where the spin function comes in. You'll notice I'm keeping my thread perpendicular to the hook. I bring my bobbin up close to my hook. I'm going to unpinch where that ball is. And you'll notice this tool will naturally start to roll. Alright, I'm going to make what looks like a 4 or a figure 4 in that thread. And right where the thread intersects, where it makes a little X, you're going to bring that X right to the hook. You'll make this triangle over the eye of the hook. And here's where the whip finish takes place. You're going to leave your thread relatively straight on the left hand side. You're going to wrap this triangle using this tool, allowing it to rotate 3 or 4 times around that eye. Once you're done, you just go push straight up with your tool. That thread pops out, and then from here you just pull on your bobbin and thread, and that will pull that hook down. The hook in your bobbin, see how that hook stays, and then just pop that out. So one more time in slow motion. Hook our line or our thread, bring it up through the little catch point, bring our bobbin up to our hook, release that tool, let it rotate, make that little figure 4, bring that point to the hook, take this triangle, we're going to rotate it around the eye of the hook. Once we're done, we just push the tool straight up, which will release that thread, and then pull with our bobbin, and then remove the hook. From here you'll just trim off your thread and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.